Hello, and welcome to How to Play Pokemon. Well, would you look at that? It's that type of year again. Time for some Pokemon knowledges. Charbocca is, and always has been referred to, as the long Pokemon. This is because of its incredibly long chin that makes up the entirety of its torso. As such, it is clearly a bone-type Pokemon, due to the high number of chin bones it has. This is no surprise, as it holds a lot of similarities to other bone types, such as Cubone. As a bone type, you can fully expect this thing to resist any hard-hitting attacks, yet have a smooth and silky weakness to flying types, as they know how to delicately peck around the bone. Charbocca are usually found with their heads peeking out of long tubes, to give off the impression that their chins are much longer than they actually are. You can often see multiple Charboccas embroiled in a fight over territory. They are fighting with their lives on the line, as those that are unsuccessful in this endeavor will have to go home to a slightly smaller tube, cool to the touch due to the shadow of shame. Did you know that Charbocca is an anagram for a common item you'll find around the house? That's right, it's a Bork. How convenient. Back in the ancient days of society, these Borks could travel thousands of miles and never get tired. This was due to their revolutionary evolution to shed their legs and therefore feel no fatigue from running. However, more recently Borks have been seen to wear cybernetic augmentations. Here to educate us today about these augmentations is Dr. Ekane Pass.
As humans with future technology, we had the ability to play God with such tiny baby pets, like the Charbocca. As such, we thought it quite humorous to watch them flail about on giant robot legs. Of course, never having learned what it feels like to have real legs themselves, they cannot maintain balance.
What was your doctorate in exactly?
Wait, are you recording this?
For this strategy, you will need a whole team of Charboccas. An underused exploit to psych out your opponent would be as follows. When your first Charbocca is knocked out, you can send 2 more onto the field in its place. You can continue to do this for each additional Charbocca that is knocked out. Using this strategy, you can soon build up enough Charboccas on the field that there is no floor space for your opponent to send in their next Pokemon. Your opponent will have no choice but to concede. And that's all the information I have on Charbocca. If you enjoyed, please